What will be the impact of cryptocurrency on traditional banking? Cryptocurrency will eventually play a bigger role than it is now in financial systems for the next at least 5 to 10 years. I still feel that we're still in that transition or infancy point with cryptocurrency to where it's not readily accepted yet, but there are more people paying attention to it and there are more of the right people paying attention to it. Now, I think eventually we could see cryptocurrency taking over global markets because of its scarcity. A lot of people argue back and forth about banking in our financial system, where we've got a financial system where our government can print money anytime you need it. In a crypto perspective, you have very limited, scarce type of resources in these digital tokens. And as we know, everything is moving digitally. I think over the long run, the cryptocurrency markets will definitely take over, like a lot of the commodity markets stabilize a lot of economies like gold and silver. So they all play a specific role.
It's going to take time.
A lot of time.
Like everything that's new in the market, it just needs to take a little bit of time. They need to figure out how to regulate it, how to keep people from theft and making fraudulent transactions, and just kind of figuring out a way to oversee it.
I don't so much see as the oversight portion of it that needs to take place. There's not really a lot of oversight in gold and silver and precious metal markets. If you're treating a lot of these currencies and assets like store of value, I think we're going to have a little bit better take on it rather than trying to figure out how you regulate it so much, because can it really be regulated? You're talking about decentralized currencies. Now, whether or not governments allow people to accept them as forms of payment is a different thing, but in some respect, how do you stop some of those things from happening in the crypto world when it's all digital? There's a lot to still be seen about it and how certain
people are getting real excited right away. When Bitcoin came out and then it just shot up, everyone was getting really excited about it and they were making money off of it. So everyone thought that it was just going to stay that way and be consistent. It just wasn't. It's just going to take time like anything else.
And we've got many clients now that ask us on a daily basis about accepting crypto in their businesses. Something that we recommend to a lot of clients in certain industries where they might be selling legal products, but sometimes some of the banks frown upon those products or industries. There's some wiggle room for it yet, and there's going to be a use for it. And we just got to wait and see how it shakes out over here over the next 5-10 years.